Good evening, and I will be sleeping a minute from now. And I just want to share that I finished or we finished the anime that we were planning to watch, and also the coffee jelly is done. I did eat the coffee jelly right before we start the anime or the marathon, and I didn't drink anymore since I've heard that the coffee stays in your body for 8 hours, and I was thinking that I need to cut off that coffee in my brain or on my body right before I sleep. And aside from that, the review for the anime, I would say, is that the second to the last episode was pretty good. It's actually just a nature trip. So the story was that she is a robot or AI that handled the hotel, and then they were trying to wait for the owner to come back, and then centuries passed, and yeah, right before the ending, there's a human that goes to the hotel, and then they serve yeah her, and then at the same time, during the first to 11th episode, they are just serving extraterrestrial beings since no human had been going to the hotel. And yeah, aside from that, I would say that the episode 11 is that the AI is solely focusing, or the robot is solely focusing on the work, and then this extraterrestrial manager gave her a day off, and then she explored the world, and then she saw a magazine thingy, and as he saw that one, he saw an itinerary itinerary or things that um you would do on vacation, and then he just does that. No unnecessary monologue, just doing something, and it's actually relaxing with the music and the visuals. So I really like the ending of that one.